Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is the Redline edition as well as the All-Star edition. Of course, you have nice red lining badging, blacked out badging. This one's quite special because it's got aftermarket exhaust. Not sure if any of the mufflers are deleted. I think it might be a resonator delete. That's about it. Because it does have a meatier sound to it. It definitely sounds really, really good, while not being excessively loud, especially at higher RPMs. Nice all-weather floor mats. A little over 27,000 miles on this specific truck. What's nice is, even though this is a used truck, we still got the original sticker. Redline edition, All-Star edition, the 5.3 liter V8. Yeah, pretty cool. Total price of this was $49,035 when new. Blacked out badging. As you can see, I mean, it didn't have a blacked out badge, but it looks like the previous owner put like electrical tape, and it actually is a really, really well done application. Actually, I'll pull it forward so you can kind of hear the exhaust. Oh yeah. It does sound really good. Not sure if the hood is aftermarket because I don't remember there being those vents like that. But it looks good. Thing sounds so good, especially in the lower RPMs, which is nice because you'll be cruising around to those RPMs. I'm not sure what the truck was like before, we made sure everything was okay, so I'm not sure if it was straight piped or whatnot. The steering wheel has like no wear on it, which is very, very rare for a used truck. A lot of times the steering wheels will be all smoothed out where the leather wore down. This is not the case. This is a really nice truck. My favorite thing is putting it in low and then just listening to that overrun. Just sounds spectacular. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.